What's up YouTube? Jeff back again, another very exciting Samsung video for you guys today. Today, we're going to be talking about 3 updates that have come to the Samsung Galaxy smartphones. Pretty useful ones as well that's going to allow you to do some nice things to customize your device. And as usual, it's going to be in the Samsung module Good Lock. So let's go ahead and get started because there are 3 of them to take a look at today. So as you probably know, I talk about it a lot on this channel, Good Lock is Samsung's customization suite, which allows you to customize not only how your phone looks, which is what the makeup side of modules are, which includes Theme Park, Pintastic, Wonderland, Lockstar, Keys Cafe, NavStar, Home Up, Clock Face, and QuickStar. I've talked about all these at one point or another, so I'll link some of the videos below if you want to check out the details. And then this side, which is called the Life Up side, lets you customize how your phone works in general, like how you customize your settings, customize your multitasking settings, customize your notifications, customize your Bixby routines, customize how your camera works using Camera Assistant, lots of cool stuff. Anyway, there are 3 new modules that have been updated, and I figured we'd take a look at all 3 of them today, one after the other. Let's start with the first one. By the way, you can update all of these at once now up here. If you go into Good Lock, you go to update all plugins, it'll update all of them at once. I'm just gonna do them individually so we can actually look at the change log on each page. If you have a module that's ready for update, it'll say update right there. You can tap more next to it and go to the Galaxy Store where you can then read the change log. So some of these have some very basic changes, but I'm gonna kind of go through and talk about what those changes are. So the first thing is the following for QuickStar. QuickStar got version 6.3.06.31, and if you go down here, you can see it's a 14.4 megabyte update. And some new things arrived. The first one is supports Samsung Smart Switch for the following functions. And there's 3 functions: show notifications by last update, show quick button grid, open quick panel directly. So this is probably important because, of course, we're going to be having the Galaxy S23 Ultra out. It may have already launched after I post this video. I'm not sure exactly when I'll post it, but the Unpacked event is this week. A lot of people are going to be switching from an old phone to an S23 device, and Smart Switch is Samsung's function for quickly switching all of your settings, your apps, all your data over to your new device. So these are 3 different things within the QuickStar settings that you can actually do that will allow you to then use and move them over via Smart Switch. So for those of you guys that don't know, I'll open QuickStar really quick so you can kind of see these settings. If we go back here really quick and go back into the Good Lock module really quick. Let's go into QuickStar. You can turn QuickStar on, and what it lets you do is it lets you edit your QuickStar panel. So you can actually edit your quick panel up here at the top. And if you turn that on, it'll let you customize your quick panel. I don't have it on right now because I've been happy with just colorizing this with these stock sort of color palettes that they have using matching the wallpaper. But this is a great feature that you can use to customize it. And I've talked about it and showed it off before. And now you can add some of those things over and move them over to your new device when you switch to Smart Switch, so you don't have to start from scratch and then customize it all over again. So that's nice. The next thing is NotiStar. So NotiStar, which lets you take control of your notifications, unsurprisingly. And if we go to the store, you'll see here are the things here: a layout bug fix, support Smart Switch, which is the one that we just talked about again. That's pretty much come to all 3 of these apps. And fix duplicated entry point view on the lock screen. Now, I talked about this feature in one of my most recent videos. What this allows you to do, NotiStar, is it lets you create a little arrow on your home screen where you can store certain notifications, and you see the yellow arrow right here, and you can swipe up, and then you see all of your notifications right there in your it's kind of like a drawer for your notifications. You can also save those to your internal storage. So if I go back into Good Lock here and I go to NotiStar, let me open it up, you'll see up here in the settings that you can choose to save these for different amounts of time. So now, of course, not only did they fix an issue where there were multiple places you could swipe up on the home screen, which was a mistake. You're only supposed to be able to swipe in the one area. That was actually an annoying bug because if you swiped up here, it would also bring up the notifications instead of going into the lock screen. You're only supposed to be able to swipe in this one area. And they fixed that also, which was a bug in the most recent update. So now you'll also be able to move all your NotiStar settings over using Samsung Smart Switch, which again is also a great thing for those of us who use it. Before we miss the last one, which is MultiStar, I do want to remind you guys that if you're looking to upgrade to a Galaxy S23 Ultra One way you could do so is by switching your wireless service over to my partners at Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile has premium wireless starting at just $15 a month. I've shown you guys some of their plans in the past. They have a 4 gigabyte plan, which is $15 a month, 10 gigabytes for $20 a month, and 15 gigabytes for $25 a month. And lastly, the unlimited plan, which is $30 a month. And they have unlimited talk and text, nationwide coverage, and wireless hotspot on all of their plans. Very simple to switch. You can get either an eSIM or a physical SIM, which they'll ship out. You can pop it right in. It's a very, very simple process. Mint Mobile makes sure that you have no extra overhead like the physical carriers with all their physical stores. They do everything online, which is great as well. And that is what I really like about Mint Mobile. I've been using Mint Mobile now in the Phoenix area for about 4 months, and I've had great service. If you guys want to try it, you can go to my link, which is mintmobile.com/Springer. I'm also offering a new promotion where if you do subscribe to a 3-month Mint Mobile plan, I will send you out a free smartphone case of your choice. I am doing that myself as a thank you to my subscribers. Mint Mobile is not sending it directly, but I do want to thank Mint Mobile for being partners with the channel. And go to mintmobile.com/Springer to sign up today. So let's go ahead and go back in here, take a look at that last module that we're interested in. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at MultiStar. MultiStar, if you go into the store, here's the update. The version number is 6.2.05. And you can see that this one only has one very simple update, is that it supports backup through Smart Switch. Now, for those of you who do not know what MultiStar is, let me go ahead and update it as well so I can show you guys what it does since we've come this far. MultiStar is another Life Up module, and what it allows you to do is to change the way the multi-window multitasking features work. So you can change your pop-up gesture size, prevent pop-up window minimization, turn on multi-focus, and now you can back up all of these fantastic settings using Samsung Smart Switch as well. So those are the 3 Good Lock modules that have been updated. It's very, very exciting, and we can't wait to test these out on the S23 Ultra as well. Hope you'll subscribe to the channel to join us on our Samsung journey here. And really appreciate you guys. If you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification icon for future videos like this. Again, if you want to check out premium wireless service and save some money today, go to mintmobile.com/Springer. Huge shout out to my partners from Mint Mobile. I appreciate you guys seeing this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.